mischievous crew from the film Alvin and the Chipmunks, Chipwrecked, rated G, is dropping into McDonald's. There's one in your McDonald's Happy Meal.